All right, Shalom. First and foremost, I want to start off by giving all praises to Yahweh, Bashim Yahushai, Yahweh, who the world ignorantly calls God, and Yahushai, who the world ignorantly calls Jesus Christ. I just wanted to show this real quick. I was watching a trailer for an upcoming movie called, I believe it's called Songbird. I'll leave a link to the trailer in the description box down below. But I was, going through the chat. And pretty much, if you haven't saw the trailer already, Salakia, if you haven't saw it already, it's basically, showing that, years in the future, we're still going to be dealing with this Corolla situation. And you're going to have, millions, of deaths, a year. And, the whole world's going to be on global lockdown. It's going to be at the point where, if you want to go out in public, you're going to have to, show it in, proof that you're, immune inside joke. Show proof that you're immune from this whole, Corolla situation, man. And somebody pointed this out, which, obviously, is a very good point. Okay, because this movie is set to come out in 2021, which is what, the next coming year. But you know what? Wait a second. Before I even read this comment, it's like, really think about it. This movie is already recorded, right? And is ready to be released next year, right? The film's already done. We're 8 months into this pandemic. So how the hell did they, just as this person going to say, how the hell did they get all these things needed in 8 months and finish the film us all editing and everything else that had to be done to get it all perfect? How'd they get that done in less than a year? That's not possible. It cannot be done. Okay, it's too difficult. Okay, anyway, this is a comment by a person here named Amy. They said, it doesn't take over 2 years. Wait, hold on a second. It says, doesn't it take over 2 years to film a motion picture and get it into theaters? All in 2020, they wrote a script, found financing, hired actors, hired a production crew, found locations, filmed during a lockdown, and finished filming, editing, and making the movie released in less than 1 year. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. More predictive programming, conditioning, and fear-mongering. Yeah, 1,000 people agree. But the point of the matter is that's a very good statement, man. Okay, and I mean, obviously that clearly proves that, the global elite clearly have their, plans out there in public, man, that they premeditated, all of this, man. Okay, and a matter of fact, just off topic, but very similar. I was watching a video the other day about some dude who was showing, back in 2019, early 2019, like, the beginning first few months, he bought what was it? Some type of chemical, I believe it was Clorox. Yeah, Clorox bottle. And he showed, remember, this was back prior to, the whole pandemic. Okay, prior by months. Okay, and it showed on the back of the container that, where it shows where it can kill, what it's effective against. It said it's effective against human coronavirus. It literally says that on the back of the can. Effective against human coronavirus. Months prior to the pandemic. Coincidence? I don't think so. So, yeah, man, it shows you that they all have, the foreknowledge, man. Okay, they all have the foreknowledge. Say, for example, all the millionaires and, people of higher up wealth and these people in the know, they were fleeing these big cities, man, over the past 3 years. Why? Because they were told that something big is happening, something big's coming. And I guess we finally figured out what that big thing is, man. Because now they're all on their private islands or somewhere over in, somewhere where it's not as bad. They're all protected over there. They got out before it all got bad, man. Okay, because they had the foreknowledge, they had the forewarning. Okay, but I just wanted to, to share that comment because I thought that was, a very good comment. Okay, And as I said, I'll leave a link, down below. It's either in the description or in the comment section. I'll put it in one of those. You can check both. That will give a link to the trailer. I recommend you watch that. It's a very, very, eye-opening trailer, man. Do not miss that. Okay, you want to watch that, man. Okay, so hey, go put on those Cocoa Krispies and go watch that damn trailer, man. Anyway, shalom.